In the next 2 minutes, you will learn amazing keyboard shortcuts that will revolutionize your digital experience. Your keyboard is not just a tool for typing. It's a powerhouse of shortcuts that can make your digital tasks faster and more efficient. You might be wondering why keyboard shortcuts? Well, they save you the time and effort of moving your hand between your mouse and keyboard, which can add up to a significant amount over a long day at the computer. Traditionally, to perform tasks like copying, pasting, undoing, redoing, selecting all, saving, printing, finding, opening, and closing documents, we would rely on our mouse. Clicking on menus, dragging, dropping, and scrolling might seem convenient, but it's not the fastest way. Now, let's compare that with the power of keyboard shortcuts. Imagine how quick and efficient it would be if you could perform all these tasks without even lifting your hands off the keyboard. Let's dive into some of these magic keys. Control or Command on a Mac, combined with C copies selected text or items. Control or Command plus X cuts them, and Control or Command plus V pastes them. Made a mistake? No worries. Control or Command plus Z undoes the last action, and Control or Command plus Y redoes it. Need to select all items or text? Control or Command plus A has you covered. To save your current document or file, use Control or Command plus S. To print the current document or page, use Control or Command plus P. To find text or an item in a document or web page, use Control or Command plus F. To open a new window or document, use Control or Command plus N. And to close the current window or tab, use Control or Command plus W. The beauty of these shortcuts is their universality. They work across different platforms and applications, making them an essential skill for everyone, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who likes to be efficient. In just a few key strokes, you've just boosted your productivity and efficiency. But this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will reveal more amazing shortcuts to further enhance your digital prowess.